with my kitchen creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making a delicious cranberry orange recipe, perfect for holiday treats or Christmas dessert. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Starting off with our shortbread crust, add your flour to a bowl, add your baking powder to it, salt, and cinnamon. Go ahead and give that a good whisk. Just like so. Now go ahead and set this aside. Now add your white sugar, brown sugar, and your butter into a mixing bowl. And you can also use a hand mix for this if you do not have a stand mix. Now cream together until they are light and fluffy, so about 3 minutes. Go ahead and scrape the side. Just make sure that everything is combined. Add your egg and your vanilla. Now go ahead and give this another mix until everything is well combined. Once it looks like this, you are ready to add in your flour. Now go ahead and mix this until the dough starts pulling away from the bowl, but we do not want to overmix this. After mixing it, it should look like this, so do not overmix it. So this looks perfect. Now save 2 cups of this crumbs for later, and I'll show you what to do with it later on. Take your 9x13 dish and grease the inside of it with some butter. After greasing your dish, go ahead and pour that crust right in there. Using a measuring cup, go ahead and press the dough into the baking dish. After pressing down the dough, it should look like this. Now stick it in the oven and bake for 15 minutes. To make the cranberry filling, go ahead and add your cranberries into a bowl. Add your sugar, vanilla, add your orange zest, and make sure you don't get the white part of the orange. After you're done grating your orange, go ahead and slice it in half because we do need some of that orange juice. Just squeeze it into a bowl. Now add your orange juice to the cranberries and add your cornstarch. Give that a mix. This is how my shortbread crust is looking after baking it. Now go in with your cranberry filling and pour that right on top. Now take the rest of your shortbread dough and sprinkle that on top. After sprinkling the dough on top, now it's time to stick it in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is how it's looking. As you can see, the top is starting to brown. So grab some tin foil and cover it. And we're going to stick this back in the oven for another 15 minutes. After 45 minutes of baking, this is how it's looking. So go ahead and let it cool completely before cutting into it. Hello guys, so my cranberry orange bars are ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? And I cannot wait to enjoy it. So good. This is such a nice treat, guys. It's easy, flavorful, and it's festive. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.